This is the ANSI SAFEBUILDER helmet. This one is blue. And it comes with stickers and you can just put them however you want to on it. Now, in terms of the strap and all the adjustment, there are lots of different kinds, but as you can see, for example, there's this, so you can adjust that. You can adjust this with the various strap locations, and you can adjust this in several ways, the chin strap, and then that attaches to over here. A whole bunch of things can be added or removed, like these straps. There's lots of customization, but once you get tailored to your head, I find this to be quite comfortable.